So hi guys, it's me T for Tala. Today we're gonna write each number, word, and symbols. Okay, let's go. 3,111. 3,111. Okay, next. 20, 22,
Oh, 22,
20,
1,006,
630,
30,
200 and
22,
2,000,
22,
22,
1,000.
22,630. That's a lot. 508.
Number 3.
9,702. Okay. Nine. My face. Okay. Okay.
9,000.
Wait.
Seven.
Forgot. Wait. 9,702.
702. 702.
702.
You write properly. Write properly. 702.
Okay.
702.
It's perfect now. Okay, next. 49. There's like 49. 508,000.
Oh, 508. How to put 508?
Oh, I thought that's
Here. 508. 508.
508.
Comma.
Where?
There.
And then
642.
wait. 6. I thought 649.
100.
Oh, let me count how many. 1, 2,
Oh, you
3,
read.
4, 5,
You
6.
read. You read.
Why?
So that
508,649.
next.
74,500.
74. 500. 500. How to put 500?
Like this.
How many zeros?
1.
That's only 50. 500 has 2.
2 zeros.
Oh.
What?
2 zero, I said.
Ow.
Oh, you read.
Okay, next.
You read what numbers na?
74,500. Next, what? 905,016. Okay, I know. 905,016, comma 5,000. 900 and 516. Like this, 9, comma 5.
900.
Comma.
905.
No, it says
1,000.
yeah.
16.
Yeah.
905.
Yeah, it's
You're
fine.
wrong. 905.
Ah.
May tala. 900. 05.
5.
16.
16. There's no comma.
Number 8.
Okay, number 8.
Follow your legs, it will be black.
8,482. 482.
Oh. Next.
Okay, next. You have to do letter now.
Yeah. Read.
Okay.
Read.
Write each number in words. 12,000.
Oh, you write 12,000.
12,635.
Well, small so that it will fit. 12.
12,000. It's okay.
Yeah.
TWELVE.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
1,000.
12.
So that it will not be blank.
Ow!
Put it up.
I'm gonna do minus to that.
1,000.
How to spell that? I never spelled that.
Tama, you can see
I
there.
can see here. T H O U S A N D. Okay, next.
12,000.
12,600. $35.
Oh, THI. You forgot? It's not thirsty.
What the?
Oh,
Oh, okay. The color's gonna be stuck forever.
the 12. You erase the 12. Oh.
Where? Oh. 12.
30. 5.
12,635.
Next.
Next, 7,914. I can do it without reading any.
Yeah. Good job.
Yes. 46. I don't have to say that anymore.
No, you
Okay,
answer for something.
okay. So, eh,
10.
709.
11,000.
7,900.
100. Oh, no H. 14.
EEN. Done. 7,914. How about this? I don't know how.
Oh, you read.
446.
40.
Oh,
46,000.
46,023.
23. Go.
After this, done.
Go, hurry up.
Yeah.
Ka na.
After this, I always mess up.
Huh? 46. 46.
Okay. Sorry.
4. FORTY. 40, not 4. No, you forgot. 41, 42.
46. 46,000. Just like Tao, sand. Tao, sand. Tao, sand. Done.
Next.
46,023.
Next.
This page is 4. Okay, next. I still have 2 more. I still have 1 more until I'm done. Wait. Okay. So, 58,000.
500.
580, 160,
580.
80, 580, 100,
580.
wow,
Tau.
580,162. 500.
80. If you can write it there,
No, I
Tala.
cannot. Nice.
Oh, 8. HTY.
580,000.
1,000.
I don't have space.
You can write that.
1, 1, 6, 162. Done. Last one, guys. 900, 277.
900.
900, 277.
900.
Where?
Tau. Oh, you already forgot.
900,277.
1,000.
900,000. I cannot write anymore. 9, 900,000.
Don't always put slash.
Yes, I do need though.
That one only, not there.
Done. 900,000. 2, 177. Done. Bye guys. If I hope you like it, please subscribe.
Hope.